of computational market model for grid resource management. Okay, the grid user submit its application to grid resource worker. Grid resource worker, or GRV, includes some components: job control agent, grid explorer, schedule advisor, trade manager, deployment agent. Okay, these are some components of a grid resource worker. Job control agent. An agent has been created for each job to track its requests. Schedule advisor receive the required job resources from the job control agent and schedules the job requests. The scheduler introduces the required resources to the grid explorer. Grid explorer is another component of GRB. Grid explorer is responsible for finding the resources that are needed for the job. For this purpose, according to job's requirements, Grid Explorer is prepared a message and send it to GIS. Yes, send it to GIS. GIS is a grid information server. According to the latest information that is provided by GIS about grid resources, GIS prepares a list of resources that can meet the needs of the job and send it to the Grid Explorer. Okay, the Grid Explorer receives this list, and okay, the Grid Explorer sends this list to a schedule advisor. Okay, and on the right side of the figure, the grid nodes are displayed. Each node contains its own resources. Nodes send their resource information to GIS. Yes, nodes send their resource information to GIS. This is done periodically, or it can be on a query. Okay. In the figure you can see the grid resource, the grid nodes includes some components: trade server, resource reservation, resource co-allocation, charging algorithm, accounting, and other services. Okay, these are some components of grid nodes. One of the grid components is trade server, which conducts negotiation with trade manager. Yes, the trade manager on grid resource worker and the trade server on grid node connect to each other for trading that includes some steps. Okay, after selecting the appropriate resource, by a schedule advisor, the negotiations between trade server and trade manager, are carried out according to the demands of the seller and